Chef Mariko. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Jamaican Memory Drink. Jamaica, it looks like Jamaican if you're reading it on the label, is also known as hibiscus, and it makes a really great punch or cocktail. For today's recipe, we are going to get a 1/4 cup of the dried Jamaica or hibiscus flowers. So put them in a jar, and then you will want to fill it with 1 cup of boiling water, or enough to cover. You're going to want this mixture to sit for a little bit so all the flavors and the colors have an opportunity to seep out into the water. And you can tell it's already starting to turn a beautiful pink. You'll want to have the Jamaica mixture sit for about 15 to 20 minutes to give all the flavors a chance to seep out. Once this is finished, you will want to strain the liquid through a strainer to remove all the dried flowers. Now you have this beautiful pink punch that's the base for the memory drink recipe. Then you want to add a 1/2 cup of sugar. We're adding the sugar to the hot water so it has an opportunity to dissolve. After the sugar has dissolved, I want to add 1/2 cup of lime juice. You can use lime juice that's fresh squeezed or from the bottle. I'm just using the bottle because it's a lot easier and it's a time saver. Now mix everything together and pour it into your favorite pitcher. This mixture is going to be all hot and steamy, so we will want to put it in the refrigerator until it has an opportunity to cool. Then just top it off with some water. Today I'm going to use some sparkling water to give it an extra added kick. And now your Jamaican memory drink is ready to serve. This is Chef Mariko showing you how to make a Jamaica memory drink. Enjoy.